Hello, in this video I will explain how to set up 360-degree feedback with AcademyOcean. So to start, let's go to Performance Reviews section. And first of all, we need to set up rating scales. Let's create the new scale. And here we can name it and add necessary levels. When it is ready, click Create. And now we can create competencies. Let's add a new one. Name and add the description. Then we need to select a scale and add the description to every level. When the fields are filled, we can create the competency. It is possible to add multiple indicators to every competency, so let's create several to this one. We need to name it and also to describe every scale level. Then click Create. And I will add one more indicator. Now we can create competency profile. Click Create, name it, also Create. And now we can add competencies. Let's select all indicators and add more competencies. Click Add, so then we can set up review itself. Click on Start New Review, name it. It is possible to choose due date. You can select review type and participants. Then select the profile. And you can change the level of rating. I will leave the indicators. Click Continue to Summary and Start Review. Let's see how it looks from the learner side. So here is our review and we can open it and start passing. When it is completed, the admin will see it in the statistics and the review will be completed when all of the participants have passed it. Or it is also possible to finish review manually here. And also it will be completed when due date is over. Let's open the results of the completed review. Here we can see the result by every participant, and in the analysis section we can see the results by the competencies, and also there is a competency radar chart with detailed analysis. Thank you for the attention. Have a nice day.